Hi guys, my name is David Feng, and I'm doing a lot of stuff these days. I like to say that I'm doing stuff related to the Mac, media, and other projects. I'll get to the other projects a bit later on, but I want to start with the Mac. And with the Mac, I'm doing the Beijing Macintosh user group, which I've done since the year 2002. And this user group is a huge one at 500 plus members, and we've just finished one of our newest things, for the lack of a better word, called the Mac in Beijing Primer. And that came to being because we have a lot of expat Mac users in Beijing who understand zero Chinese, and this primer is supposed to be sort of like a bridge for those expats to get service, to get Macs in Beijing. Something else I'm doing is related to the Beijing Macintosh Union, and the Union oversees a massive array of Mac resources, including a multilingual, I got that right, multilingual wiki about the Macintosh, and which brings me on to another wiki I'm doing, which is projects. And one of those projects I'm doing is called Beijingology, which pretty much means the study of all things Beijing. Now, Beijingology is a pretty big project, and I hope to reach 1,000 articles by August 8th, 2007. That's about a year before the Olympics come to Beijing. And when complete, it will provide you with a very different view of Beijing. Not just Tiananmen, not just the Great Wall, but everything else. Like little county highways you've never seen in the west of Beijing.
Sorry, David, my phone's just ringing me out.
Okay.
Short.
Right there.